Hey guys, today I wanted to make a video about something that I'm really into, and you've probably noticed if you've seen any of my videos before, because it's in a lot of them, and that's breathing. And because I'm really into it and I make a lot of videos about it, a lot of people ask me, how do you do that? How do you get into it? I'm a beginner. Do you have any tips? So I figured I'd make this video, 4 tips for breathing for beginners. Here we go. Alright, so the first tip is try to breathe through your nose and your mouth only. Really the only parts you have to worry about for the most part. Really the other orifices aren't relevant, I don't think. I think it's actually just the nose and the mouth. So that's it, nose and mouth only. Alright, second tip, you want to be in an atmosphere with oxygen. So basically, the way that you tell is whether you can breathe or not. If you can breathe, then there's oxygen. If you can't, then there's not. It means you can't breathe underwater, outer space, even in high altitudes, there's less oxygen. So basically, if you can breathe, it's going to work. It's a simple thing, but it's an easy thing to screw up to. Third step, and oh my god, I cannot say this enough times, but every time you inhale you have to exhale, and people always try to find loopholes for that, but it's just every time you inhale you have to exhale. It's really simple. Just don't even think about it. Just think every inhale you should already be exhaling by the end of it, basically, like unless you're holding your breath, but that's like a more advanced thing, and maybe I'll go over it in a different video. But for now, every time you inhale, exhale after. Don't try to inhale twice in a row without an exhale in between. It should just be second nature. Yeah. Fourth and final tip, don't try to breathe when you're asleep, and basically don't try to breathe anytime that you can't focus on it. Like when you're at work, don't try to multitask. That's like a really advanced thing, and it's really dangerous. Just only breathe when you have time, when you're focused on it. That's all I'm going to say. Alright, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more tutorials, comment down below what tutorial you'd like to see me do. If you like this video, be sure to like, and if you subscribe this video, be sure to subscribe.